Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a hotel in Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on the screen at the top, you can see hotels, flights, things to do, homes and apartment option in your home. Well, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on hotels. Then you can see you have to type in the destination, time, and the number of people you're going. Then hit the search button. Once you tap on search button, you're gonna get different deals, different offers, and different hotels there. Select one on your price range. Look at all the rooms and amenities. Then you're gonna have to tap on book. Once you tap on book, they're gonna take you to the page where you can review your request and tap on book now. Now it might take a few seconds, then Agoda will book your hotel right away. And guys, that's it. That's how you book a hotel in Agoda. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.